drop on me. Copiado, carnal. Weapons out, vaqueros.
Muévanse. Where are they holding Hassan?
White two-story building back of town. Todos los Víctors estén listos. 3, 2, 1. ¡Entra, entra! Despejado, avanza.
Civilians.
Gun.
سلام یوتیوب ویلکام واسه که گیمری نوشین ویدیو چه پارت سومی بازی مدرن وارفر 2 بهتر چیزی که برین گیم پلی یه پارت بگیرین मैं कनाला सब्सक्राइब करें वीडियो अगर तुम्हारे पसंद भी इतना लाइक करें और कमेंट पहले में वास्ता देखिए बहुत बार ना करना हम बेरें के
Into the gate, Sergeant.
yeah man
Move.
Contacto.
Todos los Víctors, avancen. Dos están en movimiento. Down. Push up.
धीरे धीरे में यार दोस्त तमेर
Clear.
तमेर
Secure this house. God said we'll move them fast. Then we move faster. Take the door. Heads up. They're ready.
خب برو داخل چه خبره
Doorway. Right side.
تریکی
Clear. Shots, hermano.
No sign of Hassan.
Not yet.
Clear.
یا همچنان اصلا رندان
Cartel brings violence.
الان داد که قاتل نموریم
Get ready to move. Stand by. Víctor 2, este es 1-1. Desplega humo. Estamos mudando al exterior. Copiado. Lanzando granada de humo.
Where's your family, Alejandro?
I keep that a secret, hermano. Protect them.
We have concealment.
Let's move. On me, soap.
خب برو
This is
که
where they were hiding,
بریم
Hassan. Expect resistance. Todos los equipos listos para contención. Preparen para abrir brecha. Avanza, avanza. Despejado. No, Hassan. Second deck. Sí, vamos. Let's move upstairs and get Hassan. If Hassan's here, he's in this room. Secure the room. I'll cover.
Clear. No Hassan.
Todos los Víctors. El edificio blanco está seguro.
اصلا
Negativo
مول که
por Hassan.
گفتم
Entendido. They must have moved them.
فلاش کجا بید
Recently. Coach force, that's his flag. He was here.
Alejandro's intel was good.
Comandante, el ejército está aquí. A la verga.
What is it?
The army.
We got reinforcements.
Negative. 03, retrocedan ya. Entendido.
What are we doing?
Covering my men. Once they're clear, we fall back.
You want us to engage the fucking Mexican army?
No, Colonel. These troops are paid by the cartel. They're helping the cartel protect Hassan. Hold your fire.
چه لوتون گوشن درگیر بوده
Multiple vehicles, troop transports, light armor. Hold fire. Let them get close.
فلاش از زیرو اندر بیده بچه سپاری هم با
Weapons free. Your armors. Target the helmets. They're using shields.
touch.
Tommy's right
Touch
behind us!
bottom.
Avanzando.
Down the hill. We'll lose them in the mountains. Fan out and stay close.
La antigua ruta.
Straight to the bridge.
حالا خودمونیم عجب جایی.
Rodriguez!
Tommy's on us!
Cover!
Lío en el chaleco.
Are we clear?
Estoy bien.
For now, we gotta move. Go.
You know these trails?
Very well. But so does the army. We can't hold off an army. We need extraction. Rodriguez, pide la extracción.
Sí, comandante.
All guns, hold
Oh,
here.
ammo.
Take cover. Ammo here.
Sí, coronel.
Get behind the rocks. We suppress by fire and on your back. Light him up. Rodriguez, get guns up.
Control. Víctor 1. Solicito extracción
Réjate.
inmediata en el puente de Río de las Almas. ¿Me copian? Control, ¿me escuchan?
We clear? For now, there'll be more. Vamos. ¿Alguna noticia de
يا
Rodolfo?
فشاب بدي.
No, perdimos comunicación.
Puta. Let's keep it moving. Through here. The mountain's blocking comms. You man get through that? Let's hope so.
What's the plan?
There's a bridge at the river.
اللي
On the ridge!
What the? اشتغل RPG جا من شكا.
Let's hope
Por
so.
bem.
What's the
أكبر
plan?
دي.
There's a bridge at the river. Extraction. Attack RPG!
दे RPG वाला कुछ तो. زرية. تمام.
Anyone hit? Negative.
Good to go!
Copy. On me.
ये बात ज़रा RPG हुआ. شو تفهم كيف أنت ولا خير.
We'll have to jump here.
ولا شر.
Can we make that?
Hasta la muerte, hermano.
अच्छा हाँ नहीं कब तक था.
Pinche cabrones aren't far behind.
पे जब जाए.
Where to, Alejandro?
Soap, push forward. Rodriguez,
Hello.
keep going on the radio. The rest of you watch for snipers. Use that ledge. There will be a way up the mountain. Rodriguez, ¿alguna señal de radio?
Found it!
Escucha. Hear that? Incoming alley. See, into a
Incoming
firing
alley.
position. Take them by surprise. Which way to the bridge? Straight ahead, past the hilo. They'll try to cut us off.
We'll have to go through them.
Weapons free!
ماشي. شو يعني نو؟
Enemy reinforcements!
تعال. अरे मला अच्छी असते सबका. Comparando. Bro, ya to. Deme. Deme. Deme. Deme. Clear, نبي.
Up the hill! The bridge isn't far!
تخي شاب بدور وضع.
They may position shooters out here. Watch your backs.
شو كنت بانجا مش
Over the hill,
مقول
Sergeant.
والله.
We're moving.
انفور من اقوم.
There's the bridge.
بص انفور
No
قوم.
visual on extraction.
Comms didn't get through. Hijo de puta.
We'll radio when we're down there. This way. Watch your footing here.
Estos acantilados son peligrosos.
You know your way. We used to cut school and play here.
Until the cartels moved in.
Exactly. The narcos changed everything. Sniper, move!
اوه سنايبري. بس برو. buru depan jangan buru.
Sniper's down.
Jati bhai.
Bloody good shot, mate.
परिवार 3 लाइव करेंगे भाई bro.
Army's still trailing us.
We'll gain some ground. You led us to a dead end, mate. We jump from here. Don't lose a weapon.
अच्छा खूप कहाँ स्नाइपर है पता बहुत आज़ाद
Good, hermanos. Affirm. Soap?
bro bro
Breathing.
Move downriver to the bridge. Use the rocks for cover. All stations, this is Victor 01. How copy?
शिवरंत पोल कर रहा
Radio's picking up something.
उन्होंने
Sounds American.
पावर संगर
They come. Weapons free.
bro के जाने का एक पावर
Use the rocks for cover. Army reinforcements coming in.
एमएल बरोबर आहे हिवाळी कसं तिसरं को
Move up river. Go.
मग कशी पेदा आहे की टप्पा माशो तो आवाज जाने
Slowing us down. You get some ammo. Come on. Vehicles on the bridge. They're not
Bridge
ours.
जैसे पोल
Fuck! The army! Get to cover! We have to hold here and get extraction.
We can't do shit against that armor.
What the hell is that? Commander Gray's Shadow Company. They're with us. Shadow 1, Bravo 07. Good shots. Fine for effects.
पोल है या नाविक पोल
No enemy movement detected. Clear. It's good to see you boys.
Likewise, mate. This way.
और कौन का बाला कैफियत बच्चा अंतर्बाजी खारिज
Graves, we've located a vehicle for exfil.
Roger that. Be advised, we got a possible hit on Hassan.
Sabah,
2 clicks
Sabah.
north of your position.
That's cartel land. They have a compound there. Load in.
Let's roll.
I'll drive.
You boys good to roll up Hassan with some fire from the sky?
Let's wrap this fucker up, Graves.
Solid copy. We are pushing to the target directly. Shadow 1 out.
पुश्तवानी
Loaders,
हवाई
get your rounds in the can.
Yes, Commander.
Nav, set heading for that compound.
Roger.
Fire officer, keep a hand on that hot switch. We're just getting started here.
Solid copy.
Pilot, you have the con. Once on station, circle the target. Bring us around.
Sir.
Com, get me General Shepard.
Raj, stand by. Shepard's up, sir.
Gold Eagle Actual, this is Shadow 1. How copy?
Loud and clear, Shadow 1. Send traffic.
I had to bail your boys out. Luckily, they have friends in high places.
That's what you're there for. Tell me something good.
We got a hit on Hassan. Approaching the target location now. We'll get this bastard rolled up for a little talking to.
That's what I like to hear. Report back when Hassan's in the bag.
Roger that. Out here. All Shadows, listen up. These guys on the ground, Mexican Special Forces, 141, they are your brothers now. Treat them like your own. And let's get this done, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Ghost, this is Shadow 1, orbiting the compound now. Standing by for visual.
Shadow 1, Bravo 07. We'll mark our position with IR laser, over.
Roger that, 07.
How do we find Hassan?
He'll have an armed guard. Cartel protection.
A lot of places to hide.
Range covers with close air. We clear the buildings.
Copy the ILT.
Mark us. Shadow 1, we're east of the compound. Position is marked.
Off the trigger.
अच्छा
TV friendlies are marked with IR laser. Confirm visual.
Shadow 1, Bravo 07. We're marking with IR laser. Do you have a visual? Over.
Copy visual.
07, copy your mark.
Shadow 1, be advised. Hassan is moving with an armed guard. You cover external, we'll clear the buildings. How copy?
07, good copy. Armed guard. We'll secure the area so you can move in. Stand by.
Roger that.
Unknowns near the compound, south gate.
TV, scan for targets with an armed guard. Let's find us some bitch.
2 unknowns south of the stables.
Shadow 1, there's a truck leaving the stables moving west.
Copy. TV, track that vehicle.
Copy, tracking. The truck is now moving southwest along the dirt road.
چیه وانه تا ترکی کنه ردیابی کن کجا رو هم از وانه
Looks like more farmers. Stand by.
Do you see a weapon on
چی
him?
مثل این که
Negative.
که
No weapons, no
شاوردم
guards.
اصلا هم گون نیست
The truck just stopped on the road.
افتاد داخل خیابان
Shadow 1, we've got targets at the greenhouse to our northwest. Rope it now.
TV, switch to thermal and confirm the target area.
07, no visual on the target. What's the call?
An army convoy's getting ground. We go in, guns blazing, hope he squats. Lock him up from there. Graves, you're cleared hot to engage external. We'll clear the buildings when secure.
07, copy that. Keep your heads down. All shadows, you are clear to engage armed personnel only. Do not fire on the buildings.
Copy, armed personnel only.
Use the 25 mic to limit collateral. Let's make some music.
All shadows, rounds away. Going hot, 40 mic.
فقط افراد مسلح بشی بیان
There you go.
چون چی جنگی دی
Do we have any more personnel in the area?
Negative, no movement.
07, all visible targets are down. Over.
Shadow 1, copy that. We'll be clearing the stables building first. Roping now.
Tally target.
07, copy your mark. You're clear to proceed.
Shadow 1, we're moving now. If the target squirts, let us know.
Shadow 1 copies.
Soap, freeze down the right side. Aye. Breach it.
Watch for squirters.
Unknowns exiting the stables right now. Got a woman and kid down there. Check fire.
Scan for Hassan.
Got a visual. Negative.
Got armed personnel right there.
X-ray
Raj,
down.
keep fire clear of
Great.
civilians.
Negative on Hassan. It's a dry hole.
Multiple vehicles approaching from the south. Enemy personnel are moving on the stables.
Ghost, copy that. I need you out of the building. Move north right now.
Copy. Moving. Great. We're clear.
یک چی سیویلیان ما مردم عادی در واقع مسلحینه
Got armed personnel right there.
نگاه سلام علیکم
Civilians.
Multiple vehicles
سیویلیان
approaching from the south. Enemy personnel are moving on the stables.
شکل سر جانه
Out of the building. Move north right now.
Copy. Moving. Graves, we're clear. Drop that fucking building now.
07, copy. Danger close.
Channel 1, good shots. We're pushing west of the greenhouse.
More personnel in the greenhouse.
All stations with armed personnel.
Contact! Check fire. Hassan could be inside.
TV, can you
کل
get visual
چی رو
inside the
نابود
building?
کن
Affirmative. Stand by. No visual on the target. Appears to be armed personnel only.
Ghost, keep your men back. We're fixing to engage the greenhouse.
Solid copy.
Greenhouse
Cleared hot to level.
and rather हुआ है greenhouse
Shadow 1, good effect on target. We're moving up.
Roger, 07.
खाक एक साथ भी
These guys are
गोलखाने में
dust them. Where is this fucker? He has to be in that compound. Shadow 1, what's the ETA on that convoy?
07, convoy is 6 clicks out. Advise you step it up, secure exfil.
I'll contact Rodolfo. Do it. Graves, we're working on exfil now. Be advised, last building we'll hit is the compound. How copy?
Movement in a compound, crew.
07, good copy. Hold your position until we clear the area.
Shadow 1, troops in contact! RPG!
Level that roller down.
Personnel moving in fast.
Get him again!
Back on the troops.
Watch for movement.
Yeah, we're clear.
Ghost, no movement detected. What's your status?
You'll be alright. Round out the plate. Affirm. Good thing your aim isn't shite like theirs.
Roger that, 07.
Copy that. Moving now.
بره مشان پوشش دقیقا بره خیلی
Ghost, no
خفنه
movement detected.
Copy. We're pushing to the entrance now.
Roger, we see you. Be advised the convoy is 3 clicks out. You need to haul ass.
Solid copy. Alejandro, where's that exfil? 5 minutes out. It's going to be close. Let's do this then. Reaching. Shadow 1, positive ID on Hassan. He's moving upstairs. Graves, he's exiting the 2nd floor, northwest side.
Possible ID on the target. Rounds out.
Yeah, that's a sign.
More enemy personnel in the courtyard.
Clear them out.
Got a visual on Hassan. Get round inside. Shadow 1, we've got PID on Hassan. Moving on him now.
Target's moved internal. Southwest building, 2nd floor.
Our boys can handle it. Keep them covered.
Get down! Who the fuck are you?
Good attacks.
Mexican Special Forces. You're coming with us. Shadow 1, Bravo 07, jackpot. I say again, jackpot. Target is secure.
07, solid copy. What's the status of your exfil?
Exfil is 2 minutes out.
All shadows, that military convoy is approaching the AO.
Roger. All stations, be advised. Convoy is closing on the target area now.
Copy that, Shadow 1. Good eye. Alejandro, what's the call? With the cartel. Shadow, how copy?
Solid. All shadows. Mex Army is considered hostile at this time. GBU is cleared hot to engage the convoy.
Missile loose. Missile coming out.
Morta
No movement in the area.
All stations, visible targets are down. You're clear to proceed.
خودی
Shadow 1, copy that. Exfil is inbound now.
خب
Come on, come on!
I'm a good sportsman. We'll have no right. Shut the fuck up. Se satisfa un estómago. Usa tiempo, carnal. Nunca te dejaré atrás. La extracción es por la Almeda. Quizás habrá resistencia. Tenemos aire, lo podemos lograr. Good, go.
Shadow 1, package secure. We're RCB.
Hook, line, and fucking sinker. That's what I'm talking about, Shadows! You know I love that shit! Comms, give me the gem.
Jack.
Graves, actual, make my day.
We got him. Escorting back to base as we speak.
Make it quick. We can't hold him for long.
Roger that.
شو اسکورت كنت بيعمل برسم حاجة
Approaching a town to the north. Off the trigger.
कुछ नहीं
Friendlies have stopped on the road.
All
तीन
stations,
के
what's the
बाद
holdup down there?
escort भी
Shadow 1, there's movement at the fuel station ahead. Possible cartel roping now.
Copy. We'll recon the area. Be ready to move. TV, get a visual on that gas station. Pronto.
Okay.
Copy visual.
Nav, set an overlay ID on the gas station.
Copy. OID set. Multiple unknowns in the area.
Scan for weapons. See if any cartels
Target
looking for trouble.
location gas station. Yeah. هذا هو نابود بکنم. Target location gas station.
No visual on weapons. Multiple unknowns south of the gas station.
Check بکنم. اسرع اومد.
Let's get this show on the road. All stations, no visible threats in the area. You are clear to proceed.
Shadow 1, copy that. We're moving. Rodolfo, adelante.
All shadows. Ground team is mobile. Keep them covered.
There's an individual crossing the road.
What the fuck's he doing?
Shadow 1, we may have a situation here.
Quítate de mi camino. Rodéalo.
What's that?
Friendly vehicle is hit. They're down on the intersection.
Definitely.
Bail out. Check fire.
Armed personnel at the intersection.
It's a fucking ambush. TV, get on the trigger. Keep our men secure.
Friendlies appear to be moving at this time.
Cover.
Check focus. Civilians are in the area.
We're engaging danger close. Give me a sit rep when able.
Check your bloody fire. Shadow 1, we're up. No casualties. The sign is secure.
07, copy that. Colonel Vargas, what's the word?
Shadow 1, we're hardpoint in the building behind us. Over.
Copy that.
Avanzo.
Friendlies are moving into the restaurant.
Nav, set a marker on that building.
Clear.
Check fire. Civilians are exiting the AO.
Getting the fuck out of Dodge. Good on them.
Visual on friendlies. Roof of the restaurant.
Rodolfo, pide los helicópteros.
Copiado.
¿Me copian? Habla Víctor 3-1. Solicito extracción inmediata. Mi posición actual es el techo del edificio de restaurantes en Olmeda. Movement on the road. Shadow 1, we're taking RPG fire from the east. Roping now.
RPG جنگا کجا
Down at the church.
Copy.
Oh,
Engaging. Copy. Church.
Visual on RPGs.
TV, engage those cartel, but do not fire on the church. Civilians may be internal.
RPG!
That RPG's down.
H31 está en camino. 5 minutos. RPG! Stations next Blackbirds are inbound. 5 minutes.
Direct.
Vehicles incoming from the northeast near the graveyard. Sweet. Seeing small arms fire from the gas station.
Good impact.
Oh, man.
شره
No movement at this time.
Bravo 07, Shadow 1, all visible threats are down.
Be advised, bridge supplies are low. Conserve your ammo. Sergeant, sit rep. Hassan is secure. Still a brick. And you are as mindless as your weapons of war.
Bravo 7-1, you are cleared hot to shut Hassan the hell up.
All shadows, we've got incoming vehicles at the soccer field, southwest.
Incoming! Southwest!
کجاشه
A football field!
Copy.
TV, engage those mortar positions.
Mortar crew is down.
تاراندازی
Oh. Enemy personnel to the southwest.
Clear to engage all of them.
Visual on anti-aircraft team, east of the soccer field.
There you go.
Countermeasures out.
کجاشه اینجا چی آها شه
Army personnel are moving northeast at this time. Anti-air team destroyed.
Good attacks.
پخشن چه راه کن.
Adjusted out to the small building. Sweet. Back on the trigger.
Alejandro, where's extraction? We're burning through around here. 1 minute out!
We got military vehicles moving through the soccer field right now. Rotor wing aircraft incoming from the southwest. Cartel near the school building.
Copy. They're sending everything they got. Well, hell, we'll clean out corruption in one afternoon.
3 bags left. Me queda poca munición. I'm running low. Get your knives ready. Moriremos luchando.
We've got an incoming missile! Down missions out. And all the vehicles moving north on the road. Got their anti-air. Visual on an anti-air team west of the school building. Enemy school building.
Taking fire from the south.
Station, this is Hatchet 3-1. We are approaching from the southwest. 30 seconds out.
Hatchet 3-1, this is Shadow 1, copy that. Blue forces are on the roof of the restaurant building. HLZ will be hot. We'll remain on station to provide cover fire. How copy?
Good copy. We're inbound now. 3-1 out.
Extract in 30 seconds. Solid copy.
Visual on an AA team north of the bridge.
Shake them out. Here, last mag.
We're being painted. Down, got their anti-air.
Graves, our exit's blocked by enemy armor. Requesting immediate air support.
TV, engage all those vehicles. When are these fuckers gonna realize the sun's coming with
targeted.
us?
Check north. Got armor attacking the bridge.
4 armored vehicles crossing the bridge, north side. Anti-air team is down. Shadow 1, Hatchet 3-1, we're on station.
3-1, copy that. HLZ is west side of the building. Friendlies are inbound to your location.
3-1 copies all.
Bravo 07, extract is on station. Exit west of the building. They are standing by.
Shadow 1, solid copy. We're moving now. Go, Ruby. We're leaving. Let's go.
खुद ही आने में जाते गए हैं.
Cuidado. Bendito sea. Copy that.
Bravo 07, HLZ secure. You're clear to proceed.
Copy. Moving now. Everyone in. This should send a message to the cartel, yeah? It will, hermano. They lost something more than just soldiers today. What's that? Their reputation. We're in trouble fast in Las Almas. 3-1, we're set.
Shadow 1, Hatchet 3-1. All personnel and cargo secure. We are RTV at this time.
You fucking haul, 3-1. Copy that. All shadows, Oscar.
स्कोर तमाम भी हम साक्वेस्ट हुआ. Oh, they get a yes, and after it.
Y'all got a clear picture?
Crystal.
All set.
All right. You're live, folks.
You speak Arabic?
No.
Farsi?
No.
عربی صحبت می‌کنی چینا؟
And I'll speak your bastardized medieval English. Because you're all uneducated street dogs.
See, we're getting off to a bad start here, son.
You're talking to Al-Quds Force officer.
You're the commander of a foreign terror organization.
I can say the same to you.
What's your target? Major.
What was your target when you sent missiles to my land?
Oh, wild guess to nail your ass.
So insolent and foul-mouthed. You will learn to respect me when your nation sees fire.
You're in bed with the cartel, Hassan. If you disappeared, no one would know where to look for the fucking stain.
I have no doubt you'll take pleasure in torturing me.
Who'd you get American missiles from?
I don't care who they're from. I want to know where they're going.
İşte çıkaya gittik ama uşak şunu yapmam memnun çıkaya gittik ama
Take a look
کجا
around,
راول
son.
کجا برگا
Now you can either become part of the food chain,
دور
or you
بار
can start
چاوتیه
talking.
I'm a
شلوته
hostage here.
غذایی
This is illegal.
You're a prisoner of war.
طبیعت
Iran is
یا
not at
که
war with Mexico.
جواب بده
I've broken no laws. These men and their commanders are the lawbreakers.
You and your beloved General Gobani
Do not speak his name!
Oh,
You executed him and you will pay for your crimes. Allah wahdahu la qadir ala musa'adak.
I want this bastard in permanent custody or looking up at the goddamn grass.
General, killing Hassan is an act of war. Keeping him is illegal. Right now, he is too hot to hold.
Tell me you're getting something actionable as well.
Working on it. Stand by.
Actual, let me finish this.
There's nothing I would like more.
نیست
But
ولی
Laswell's
کشته
right.
نمیشه نتونه رو کشته کنه غیرانی گفته
It's right here.
جنگ
You
را
can't be
بده
serious.
I'm afraid I am, son.
شنندی میده فعلا
Did we get anything from his phone?
Affirmative. We got a hit.
Good. Now,
Take him back and let him go.
دی میده یا شدیابی کاشتی
The data hacked from Hassan's phone in Mexico went through a cell tower off the coast of Spain. Hassan was communicating with someone there when we caught him. Signals tracked to a hatchery used by the cartel as a smuggling front. It's remote and on the water.
Perfect to move illegal cargo, including missiles.
We need to get on the ground and see if the missiles are there. Imagery shows at least 4 structures and a lighthouse. We need eyes inside, but it's heavily guarded by cartel.
The high grass lends itself to concealment in Iraq here. Ghillie suits.
Exactly. I'll watch the coast for movement and provide exfil by boat.
You shouldn't be alone out there, Kate. 1 is none.
3's already a crowd. We have no jurisdiction here, John. We roll low and slow. This is unauthorized recon by fire. We're off the books.
تو موشک مثل
I'll
که
call you
کشتی
when I'm in
توضیح
position.
بکنه از راه
Let's find
کشتیش
these
هم حمله
missiles before
کنه
Hassan puts them in our backyard.
سنایپر
Watcher 1 to Bravo, I'm in position. Half a click off the coast, structures are visible. What's your status?
We're set at our firing point. Eyes on a pair of armed targets hiding in the field.
خب یه ویدیو فکر کنم تعمل کافیه
Stand by.
منتظمان تازه گشترم بیتا
200 meters. On me.
دیگه من ویدیو اگر شما پسند بید دیگه کال که سمه ویدیو لایک کنه چنل سبسکرایب کنه حمایت بکنه ما از ما کامنت هم بله انتقادی پیشنهادی خوشحال بین تا ویدیو بعد فعلا
Push forward, see what you can find.